That's my kind of sign. This is the elevator at Macy's, Boynton Beach Mall, Boynton Beach, Florida. God, I have not ridden this in a long time. We have a Montgomery here with EPCO. See how this thing's doing. Number 2. Lantern's finally dying. Look at that. Here's your COP, 3,400 pound capacity, EPCO Circleline buttons, an ADA phone. Look at this cab. It's definitely been beat up over the years. 2. Interesting to see EPCO in Montgomery. Here we go. This runs okay. Could be better. Ring the bell, yes. Ooh, I like how you smell. Alright, there it goes, and it'll be it.